Here is southwest of Iceland, and here's a very beautiful island. And this side of the island, there's the Hvammsvík Hot Spring. It's like eight hot spring that comes out, and there's a company working on that, and it has a little bit, a little entry fee, and it's a very nice area. It's a place also with some cottage and hotel for the people who want to book here and stay like a tourist in their vacation. And it's a unique place. People usually experience nature uh, of the ocean is away from crowd and this area. It's like eight pool of hot spring. Uh, the degree of the temperature in this water will be like up to 40 degrees Celsius, and it's very beautiful when the tide comes. Then you will find out yourself in the ocean. It's romantic. Usually the couples come here and take a rest and enjoy the scenery. It has a beautiful scenery, the ocean blue and the island in here in the side. The wide ocean panorama landscape. But this area I am standing, it's a island. It's very beautiful. Here, usually when the guests come, they do many kinds of activities, like yoga, like resting, and also to the hot springs restaurant. They go and get some drink and food, seafood. So like this, it becomes a very nice area. And also the majestic mountain that surrounded this beach. It's also legendary, and the seafood, drink, and the world class yoga like that are all beautiful things added to this scenery. It's a nice area. So of course, between these mountains also there's some waterfall like that stuff. So the people who book in the hotel, they have a lot of time to walk around the mountain. It's just a big area, part of the earth. I think this is my favorite nature spot in Iceland, and I visited here twice, and I totally recommend visiting such hot springs that opens to the ocean. It has a stunning view, hot water that you feel good. Also, you have direct access to the cold water of the ocean behind. And here you can also do some surfing, but also you can go from the beach to the island that is near here, visible. These are good scenery. So it's also green because it's the side of ocean. Mountains are near, and the surrounding area also gives another beauty. Here's also birds. They are preparing themselves for the summer nesting. And if you try to walk near the beach alone, they disturb and they tries to attack. As I saw, the ducks and geese are quiet, but here's another kind of bird. It's black and white. It's even tries to attack the drone. It disturbs, and the sounds of the wind and the bird give a kind of uh, feeling. It's quite nice. And there's also a nice parking. Uh, Beside this corner of the island, that's the hot spring, and it's surrounded by the company. And they made a restaurant. The interior is a little bit with the fee. Other parts are buildings, black, big buildings. It's a very nice area. And along the ring road that's passing beside this beach, there's also good sceneries. On the back of these mountains are $1 a valley. There's also a good scenery and good spot. So it's a very good place in the winter and also in the summer. Summer, the nature uh, makes uh, make the people happy. And in the winter, when you came and since the cold weather, water of the ocean, and besides that, you can use the hot water of the hot spring. And if the snow falls from up, it gives a very beautiful feeling to the individuals who are participating in here. So it's a very nice area. So because of the crowds, entry to this area is with a amount of money.